want to cry, but we're just gonna laugh. This is just a little.
It's a bit much, guys.
It's a bit much.
It's dropped 40 feet.
Oh! No! It's getting worse. Is there a floor full of water from melted ice? Crap, this sucks.
I really think you should pull over again. Yeah. Just watch the road. Oh guys, you've got to be kidding me. We stopped in near Vegas to spend the night and got up early this morning so that we can make it back into Arizona. And I came out to make some breakfast for the kids because the slide's broken. And notice that there's no reading. So when you open up the refrigerator, no light, everything is barely cool. I don't know how in the world there's still ice in here, but you can see that stuff is starting to thaw. This is like soft. And we still have probably a 5-hour drive through the 105 desert.
I don't know, because I can't check the breaker because the breaker is in the pantry and the slide doesn't go out.
Sweet. I mean, the microwave is working, so...
Different breaker.
How do you know?
Because the microwave wouldn't be on the same breaker as a refrigerator.
Well, we better hurry up and just get on the road.
Yep.
The only hope we have is to stop and get a bag of ice, stick it in the fridge, and just get to my parents' house as soon as possible so that we can put all of our stuff in their fridge and freezer.
One more thing. Sometimes, I don't know why, but these GFCIs, maybe that has something to do with this. Nope. Dead.
Okay, what do you got there?
Well, I ran outside quick and I grabbed a voltmeter. And I'm gonna test it first to make sure, right? Just to make sure that the voltmeter works, it does. Now there's, if you wanna follow me, I took an access panel off the back of the refrigerator, which actually plugs in. And this access right here, this panel, there's a 110 volt plug right here. And I wanna see if there's power to it. If there's power to it, then that tells me that there's power to the fridge and there's something else wrong. There's power to the fridge.
Are you kidding?
No.
So it's not a breaker.
It's not the breaker.
What the heck?
Which means I wouldn't have a clue. But it's blazing hot. It's gonna be like 110 where we're driving today. And we may have a fridge full of, and a freezer full of bad food. Which really kind of just stinks, honestly.
You know, it's one thing when just one thing is broken. You know, we're not working right or whatever, right? But I mean, you're talking like our son broke his leg, the slide broke, and now the refrigerator? Like, this is just a little...
It's a bit much, guys.
It's a bit much.
And, you know, we joke around and have lots of fun and have lots of shenanigans, but these kind of things, they're not because of our doing, and I think that's what's frustrating. It isn't because we made a silly decision, it's just literally stuff isn't working.
Yeah.
And just in case for you techies out there, yes, I did check this inline fuse right here, and that 4 amp fuse is good. So why I'm getting 0 power to the fridge, I don't know, man.
I think before we hitch up, we need to go grab some food because I don't even want to deal with trying to find parking and get food. And we tried to walk through a drive-thru the other day and that didn't work out so well, so we're not trying that again.
We're trying to make some time up, and so we're walking through the drive-thru. That guy over there actually rolled up on the drive-thru pad
So that we could order.
So we're dining with the Breakfast of Champions here. Anyone want to try and guess how much 4 breakfast sandwiches plus hash browns and a couple of drinks for everybody costs at McDonald's. And where are we? Las Vegas, Nevada? Where are we?
Yeah.
Henderson? I don't know. $40, people. I want it delivered. Tip included. Maybe even fed to me for $40. McDonald's food. Come on, man. If it sounds like I'm complaining, it's because I am. Got hooked up about as quick as you could imagine. We're gonna try to get some dry ice. Hopefully they have some. We'll throw it in the freezer, save what we can save, and hopefully get to our fridge tonight. All right, made it back to Arizona, and we're gonna bust into this fridge and find out, did the dry ice make it? Did it help? Is there a floor full of water from melted ice in the freezer? I have no idea what we're gonna walk into. We'll see here real quick. All right, well, I don't know what's been saved or not, but okay, I'm gonna start moving stuff inside. Okay. Got some stuff to be putting in the fridge here from our fridge, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be good. Dellynn said, I don't think it's gonna work, so fingers crossed we're gonna just get it cold and take it as it goes. We'll see. Ooh, chocolate, yeah. I'll just help myself to that real quick. That's still good.
You know, I want to cry, but we're just gonna laugh.
Oh no!
Yeah,
no.
it's hailing.
Oh, there's no overpass to get underneath. Oh my gosh!
You might want to just pull over.
No.
Look, everybody's pulling over right now.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh!
Oh
Just
my!
pull over.
No! We're on a decline, and the water's literally coming up the street. It makes it look like we're moving. Look at this. It makes it feel like we're moving.
Oh my god!
Sal, you want to go outside and run around?
Let's do a Chinese fire drill, guys.
Look at the dash cam.
The dash cam. Oh my gosh! What?
It's dropped 40 degrees.
Oh! No!
Oh my gosh!
It's getting worse.
Is that no? Okay. Oh my gosh!
No!
Oh my gosh!
No!
Oh my god.
Just sounds like stuff's absolutely breaking.
Maybe it sounds worse than it really is.
Maybe. Oh man.
Look at Lily.
I'm pretty sure this is the most intense storm I've ever been in.
Okay, this is good. It's quieting down.
If the hail's over, traffic's starting to move on the other side. Maybe it's safe to just slowly start
That's
moving.
good. Yeah, slow. I think slow. Guys, we're here in Prescott and taking. I mean, we just dropped all the stuff off from the refrigerator to my. Hold that back. Jason did ask for rain so that the rig could get washed after our sandy, desert, dirty, extraterrestrial drive. He's like, I really hope it rains today so that the truck and the rig can get washed off.
So it's my fault.
tough.
You know, I've seen other YouTube channels where they've got caught in hail, and it's just terrifying. Oh gosh, no.
We've only been driving for 45 seconds. No. Oh gosh, pull over. I really think you should pull over again. Yeah. Just watch the road.
Man, just as it feels like it's gonna let up a little bit, it just isn't. I don't even know if you can hear us, guys. Oh man, we gotta get out of this though. It just keeps it's like wave after wave.
That was scary.
I'd have to agree that was pretty scary, pretty intense. I don't,
It sounded like a bomb was going off.
man.
I was looking at the hill. Some of it was about that big.
Yeah, the size of a bouncy ball.
That's not okay. No. No.
Look at the hills, look like it's snowed.
Yeah.
But that's ice. That's hail. It's a good start to the monsoon. Yeah.
Oh, so here's a little bit of residue left still from the hail. Wow. I mean, like, this is what was hitting, and that's a small one.
Oh yeah, tiny.
Gosh.
Some of them were 3 times bigger than that.
I just talked to the girl at the front desk. She wants us to park over there on the other side of that motorhome.
That Class A?
Yep.
Okay.
So she said to pull it around over here and park it on the other side of that. We're just making sure to get, you know, whatever we need for now, because inevitably we'll need something else and we'll have to come back and get it. But for now, we're just getting a few basic needs, stuff like that, out of the rig so that it's not sitting here in the 100 degrees at the dealership. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Good times, guys, good times.
Okay, so we're at the dealership and we're dropping the keys off and getting all the stuff, but I can't get inside because we left it overnight last night. And this, oh, maybe. Oh my God. Nope. I'm gonna hit that rig right there. Literally can't.
Here, I'll hold the stairs, and can you jump over?
If you can hold him.
I'll hold him.
I mean,
hold it on my shoulder. Just don't break anything.
It's like breaking and entering into my own rig.
Oh my gosh.
Just push it up here. Okay.
Hang on. Okay, yeah. And then I'll just stay right here so I can motivate you to go really fast.
Yeah.
Are you done yet?
Oh my gosh, I know. I'm trying to hurry so fast.
Here, just hand me that crown. Oh my gosh, you dropped a shoe.
Okay, here.
Is there like a bag?
No, I just was grabbing stuff.
Oh.
This is so much more helpful.
Okay. Wow. We basically have to put our house like in our truck right now.
Lover,
Yes.
I'm
Ready?
trapped.
Okay.
Let me out. This is like Rapunzel letting down her hair. Wow, kinda nuts. Okay, jeez, guys, we don't make this stuff up like you'd think we did, but it's honest truth. Like there's a song about this by Philip Phillips. Story of our life. Ba, ba, ba. Oh, it's not? Okay, well. Oh yeah, maybe it's One Direction. Either way, guys. Crazy. All right, we're off to the races. Now we gotta drop these keys off, and that's all we're gonna do. Okay. Dropping them off. And then we're out. We're peacing out. All right, I'm about to climb up on the roof and see what's going on up there, and hopefully I don't find anything.